Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
Sign into both accounts now. You need Gmail with a map enabled and your iCloud Apple ID accessible. This lets Gmail fetch or send iCloud messages. If your Apple ID uses two-factor authentication, create an app-specific password in Apple. Apple. Calm before you proceed because you cannot use the regular login. Once done, open the Gmail web app or mobile client and stay signed in. Make sure a map is active so folders sync correctly when you add iCloud as an external account. Now add iCloud to Gmail. Go to Gmail settings, accounts, and import, and choose to check mail from other accounts. Enter your iCloud email and use the app-specific password. Select POP3 import so Gmail can fetch messages. Choose a clear label to separate incoming iCloud mail and decide whether to leave a copy on the Apple server. Leave it if you want messages accessible on multiple devices. Once added, Gmail will pull recent mail. Give it a few minutes to sync and populate your inbox with labeled messages. Finish by enabling Send Mail as. In Gmail settings, add your iCloud address and configure SMTP to SMTP. Mail. Me. Com using port 587 with TLS and the app-specific password. Verifying the address sends a confirmation code. Enter it to allow Gmail to send as your iCloud identity. Once verified, test sending both ways and check that replies route as you expect. If mail doesn't appear, make sure IMAP/POP settings match. Check app-specific password validity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.